Welcome to Saw Masters, where every sharp blade tells a story of strength, ingenuity and creativity. This is the world of those who turn wood into masterpieces. The worker stood in the middle of the green forest, his bright protective suit like the armor of a modern warrior. He raised his hand to check the saw blade, then walked towards the giant tree trunk, preparing for the great challenge ahead.
Let's check it.
Starting with the Husqvarna 365, the Husqvarna 365 is a powerful, professional chainsaw designed for heavy-duty tasks like felling trees and cutting large logs.
Oh yeah.
In the spacious timber area of Finland, Jarkrak Magnapro Dual works with high precision. It transfers tons of timber from the conveyor to the designated location with ease. The Jarcrack Magnapro Dual is a specialized forestry machine designed for high-efficiency logging and timber harvesting. Known for its versatility and strength, the Magnapro Dual is particularly useful in challenging environments such as dense forests or steep terrains. As the engine roars to life, a symphony of power and control begins to play. The hum of the high-performance diesel engine, with its deep, rhythmic pulse, is like the heartbeat of the forest itself, steady and relentless. Branches are cleared, he turns his attention to the trunk. He positions himself, calculating the perfect angle for the cut. With powerful, steady movements, the chainsaw bites into the thick wood, creating a deep notch. The tree groans under the weight of its own structure. Cutting down a dead tree is a task that requires careful preparation, skill and a bit of contemplation, as if facing the final stage of natural life. The tree that once stood tall is now withered and dry, but still retains its dignity. As the tree begins to shake, gently but decisively, we step back, giving space to its final moments. The tree falls with a deep echo, like a farewell to the ground where it was once deeply rooted. The sound of chainsaws tearing through wood echoed throughout the forest as sawdust fell as gently as snowflakes. With strong, steady movements, the chainsaw bites deep into the thick trunk, creating a deep cut. The tree now lies horizontally on the forest floor, its massive trunk stretching out like a fallen giant. As the lumberjack works steadily, his chainsaw slices through the thick trunk with ease. But suddenly, there's a hitch. The saw blade slows down, and with a sharp jolt, it gets stuck in the wood. The weight of the tree has shifted, pinching the blade tight. In the world of tree pruning, the CAT 380 is a game changer. Its specialized grinding head allows it to trim branches at great heights with safety and efficiency. Thank you for watching Saw Masters, where art and power meet. See you in the next videos, where we continue our journey to honor the masters and the best saws.